If your Android phone is running slowly, an app is glitching, or storage just feels a little too full, clearing the app cache is one of the quickest fixes you can try. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to clear app cache on Android in just a few simple steps, and I'll keep it beginner-friendly from start to finish. This is a safe cleanup method that can help apps run smoother without deleting your personal data. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Android tips and fixes. Let's jump right in. First, go to your home screen or open the app drawer and find the app you want to clear the cache for. This could be any app that is acting up, loading slowly, or taking up more space than it should. Once you found the app, press and hold the app icon until a menu appears. On many Android phones, this long press will open a shortcut menu with a few different options. From that menu, look for App Info and tap it. You may see this as a small information icon with an eye inside a circle, depending on your phone model and Android version. Once the App Info screen opens, you'll see settings and details for that specific app. Now tap Storage, or on some devices, you may see Storage and Cache. This is the section where Android stores temporary files, cached images, and app data information. When you open this page, you should see a button that says Clear Cache. Tap that button, and Android will immediately remove the temporary cached files for that app. That's it. The cache is now cleared, and the app may open more smoothly the next time you use it. If the app was freezing, lagging, or showing old content, this simple step often helps refresh it without affecting your login or personal settings. Just remember, clearing the cache is different from clearing data. Cache removes temporary files, while clearing data can reset the app and sign you out. So if you only want to save cleanup, stick with Clear Cache. If the app still has issues after this, you can repeat the same process for other apps that may be causing problems. And if you use Android often, clearing cache every now and then can be a great way to keep your phone running cleaner and more responsive. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with another phone setting or fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.